Time to upgrade these halogen lights to LED, and we are back with the Bemence LED headlight kit. It's packed with a 6000 Kelvin cool white colour, built-in VC cooling, V45 series 9012 model. Inside the box there are clear photo instructions to follow. Fully robust build, quality is there, no doubt about it. Mini cooling fan, bright LED lights on each side with your connector.
जो वाला उसको चाहिए ना वो मेरे साथ जो वाला उसको चाहिए वो मेरे स्टॉक में है ही नहीं क्योंकि ये
Fits in nicely and securely on the Toyota Aygo. We attached a small cable tie just to keep the wires secure. The headlight and the high beams were checked and they were working perfectly fine. No flickering at all. Just to make sure, adjust the headlight height settings from the driver control panel so that it won't blind anyone. I have previously installed these lights on another car and it's been 2 years now and they're still working perfectly fine. Now imagine there's a motorway closure on your way back and the diversions to take is through the countryside in the dark. You would definitely need these lights to get you out of your anxiety. Drive safe guys, peace.